Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first news of the stock from Indian stock market. Pankaj Farek has shared the list of 15 multinational companies that are listed in Indian stock market, and these are really quality stocks. You can think about buying these stocks if you want to invest for long term. So they haven't given good returns in last 1 year, but if you are a long-term investor, this is the right opportunity to grab some of the stocks of these companies. Starting with the Colgate, then there is a Gillette, Nestle, HUL, the FMCG conglomerate, Abbott, the company from the medical sector, pharma sector, Sanofi, Pfizer. So all these three companies are from the pharma sector. Then Whirlpool, then Kestrel, Honeywell. Honeywell has given stupendous returns for the investors in last 10 years in India. And I think it will continue to do so in next 10 years as well. The next one is Bayer Crop Science, then Procter and Gamble Health, Hygiene and Health, or healthcare basically. Then AkzoNobel, AstraZeneca, and then Axelia. So all these stocks, basically they are multinational companies, but they haven't given good returns in last 1 year. But I think right now is the good opportunity to ramp up the positions. The next news is about the Netflix. So Netflix CEO Hastings has bought $20 million of stock following sell-off. So recently there was a market crash in the US, and Netflix also touched or went down by 30%, 40% approximately. And Netflix CEO Hastings has bought $20 million in this crash. And tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm also gonna purchase some of the stocks of the Netflix as well. I will put the live video of how we can purchase it on the Interactive Broker Android app. So stay tuned. The next news is about the Chandar Bhatia. So this guy is a long-term investor in India, and what he's saying is that you can earn 10x to 20x or even more in one stock over a period of 10 to 15 years, but can lose only 1x in one stock. So what you have to do is basically hold on to your stocks and hold on to your winners specifically. Do not sell the stock as soon as it goes up by like 100x or 100% or 200%. Just buy right and sit tight. That is the principle that you have to use. And if you can do so for 10-15 years, then you will get really good returns from the stock market. Otherwise, if you keep selling, if you do trading, then you will not make good money. The next news is about the SpaceX. In 2021, SpaceX had done 31 launches, but in 2022 they are going to do 52 launches. So SpaceX is growing rapidly, and I think really bright future for the SpaceX stakeholders, investors in upcoming years. But the only thing is that right now it is a private company and people can't go and purchase the stock of this company. So I'm just waiting for this company to get listed. I hope Elon Musk is hearing and he will list this company, take this company public, so that people like you and me can go and purchase some of the stocks from this really amazing company, SpaceX. The next news is about the United Spirits. So it is alcohol company in India owned by Diageo, and what is happening here is that they are going D2C, that means direct to consumer. So people can go on the website and then purchase the alcohol, and then delivery will happen directly to the consumer from the company. So that is a really good news for the investors in this United Spirits, and it is also debt free company as well. So it has got huge potential. And also Dr. Muthu Krishnan, another good investor from the India, is also very bullish. Actually, he's holding this company in his portfolio as well. And the final is about this tweet that is done by Pauline Juveliat, small cap jar from Indian stock market. So what he's saying is that how much you need to invest if you want to get 10,000 rupees as a dividend per year in this stock. So if you want to invest in BPCL and get 10,000 dividend per year, you will have to invest just 94,500 because dividend yield is 10.6%. That means if you invest 94,000 in BPCL Bharat Petroleum, then every year you will get the dividend of 10,000 rupees. That is massive dividend you will get. So that's the reason dividend yield is 10.6%. Then Indian Oil, another petroleum company for India, if you invest 98,000, then you will get 10,000 as a dividend per year. Then Coal India is also has got really good impressive dividend yield, which is stands at 9.6%. And if you have invest 1,04,000, then you will get 10,000 dividend per year. Then followed by ITC, its dividend yield is 4.5%, and you have to invest 2,20,000 rupees to get the 10,000 dividend per year. Next one is Tata Steel, which has got dividend yield of 1.97%. Then Hindustan Unilever 1.13%, HDFC Bank at 0.41%, and Reliance at 0.28%. So BPCL, IOC, these companies are government companies. They are not the growth stocks, but if you are like a passive investor, or if you are a senior citizen, for example, then you don't want to take the risks. You don't want a lot of growth. You just want to get some dividends, and I think these are really good stocks from the dividends perspective. That's it in today's video. I will see you in next one. Till then, enjoy your time.